In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the RAM on your Azure virtual machine. Now, unlike a physical computer where you can just add another memory stick, Azure handles memory a bit differently. To add more RAM to a virtual machine in Azure, you'll actually need to resize the virtual machine to a different SKU, which is basically a size that comes with more memory. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Azure portal. Once you're there, navigate to the section labeled Virtual Machines. This is where you'll find a list of all the virtual machines you've set up. From that list, go ahead and select the particular VM you're looking to upgrade. After you've selected your VM, take a glance over to the left menu and click on the item that says Size, or it might also be labeled as Change Size in some cases. Clicking this will bring up a list of available VM sizes, also known as SKUs, that are suitable for the region where your VM is currently located and the hardware cluster it's using. Now comes the fun part, choosing a size with more RAM. You'll want to look through the options presented and pick a size that not only offers the additional memory you need, but also has a CPU configuration that meets your requirements. Once you've made your choice, you'll click on the Resize button. Keep in mind that if your virtual machine is running while you're doing this, it will need to reboot to complete the resizing process. This is perfectly normal, so don't worry. However, there are instances where you might not see all the available size options while your VM is running. In such cases, you'll need to deallocate the VM, which essentially means stopping it. This action opens up more size choices for you to consider. After you've resized your VM to the desired SKU, you'll need to start it up again if it's not already running. This will apply the changes, and you should be good to go. To wrap things up, you'll want to make sure everything went smoothly. Log into the VM as you usually do. If you're using Windows, for example, you can confirm that the operating system is recognizing the additional memory by going to Task Manager. Once there, click on the Performance tab and then on Memory to see the increased RAM in action. And that's it. You've successfully added more RAM to your Azure VM by resizing it to a new SKU. This method ensures you're getting exactly the resources you need from Azure without having to fiddle with physical hardware. Thanks for tuning in, and happy computing.